Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa friend namin. And we are excited because we will explore their backyard. Kasi marami daw silang tanim. Including rubber trees. The burgundy and ruby. Actually, friend siya ng sister ko. Yan kasama ko. Sila, yung sister ko at saka yung nanay ko. Tapos meron pa rin daw silang succulents. Kaya excited na excited ako. Sige, see you later! Nandito na tayo sa harap ng bahay nila guys. At nakita nyo yan? To the left are the two rubber trees. Ang ganda. Grabe no? Amazing talaga. Ngayon pa lang ako nakakita ng ganyan kalaki na rubber trees. Guys, tingnan nyo to. Grabe. Parang nasa succulent heaven ako. I'll pick up whatever I want daw dito. Ang galing, no? Talaga. Yan, ito pa yung mga... Hindi ko talaga alam yung pangalan nila. Sorry. Pero i-research ko yan. Galing, galing. O, iba-ibang succulent. Grabe naman. Napaka-exciting. Yan, tiger. Sorry. Yan. Ruby. Burgundy. Ruby. Teka lang. Hindi ako makapag-concentrate. Kasi tinawag na ako. Oh my gosh! That's so crazy! Wow! Grabe no! Sobra talaga siya! Although this one nang, I think they're the same. That's still ruby.
Kini ba?
That's burgundy.
Ito?
Burgundy. Oo. So, yung trunk pala niya, hindi pala siya yung round na malaki. Parang nag-iba-iba. No, tingnan nyo. Ganyan siya sa base roots niya. Yan. Akala ko isang buo. Pero baka meron din ganun. So, four roots siya. Grabe talaga. Wow, talaga. Nice. Magkano kaya to pag ibenta mo to lahat? Excited guys. Saan kaya ako makukuha nito? Sa lumampas sa road nila. So, ganon. Pagka-bushy dito. Ayan. Yes! Thank you. Ito pang isa. Ano po yan? Yes. Yes. Another one. Thank you again. So happy. This is amazing. Galing. So guys, kukuha na tayo. Paano to kukunin? Ganun lang? Ha? How? Just...
Dali naman siya mabuhi.
Ito nang gusto ko yung may pink. So, ganun lang? Okay. Ha? Sigurado ka? Yan.
Ayan. Kahit bumaksak lang. Hindi mo kailangan ugat niya.
Yeah.
Kahit bumaksak. Tinan mo.
Ganon.
Saan lang siya na pupunta. Oh.
Galing, no? Gabi.
Ayun, tinan mo. Bumagsak doon. Tinan mo. Ay, bumagsak lang. Oh.
Yan.
Ayun
Yan
yung
daw
baso niya,
bumagsak
bumagsak
from
doon.
there. Tapos buhay na siya. So, ano siya, napaka-easy. Itanim.
Isa yan, but there's one more species doon. Yan, iba yan.
Oo nga.
That's different.
Hanapin ko tong mga pangalan nila. Ayan, gusto ko to.
Hindi ko napansin meron ko pa ng support.
Yan. Galing.
Iba-ibang species.
Kasi gagawa ako ng dish ng succulent. Saya nito guys. Grabe. Ang cute. So I'll just get 2 of each kind. Okay lang. Pero tingnan natin yung cute na cute. Talaga. Kasi dalawa lang naman yung kukunin ko. Of each kind. Naku, ganito pala. Kung marami na hindi mo na alam anong kunin mo. Wala nang endless choices. Oh my gosh, it's so scary. It's so fragile. As soon as you do like that, it snaps.
Tayo, ganyan mga
Ito rin, gusto ko yan.
Alin yan? Ito?
Yung black,
Ay,
yeah.
maganda nga yan.
Paano siya tanggalin?
Ito, tutusok lang din yan. Kaya puputol lang ni Mea.
So, I mean, paano ko siya putulin?
Ha? Huwag ka dito, oh. Itong malaki na to.
Okay.
Kunin mo na yung malaki na yan with the paso.
What the?
Ha? Para mas marami kang
You're
mapatubo.
joking.
No! Kasi kami, temo to, kukunin namin to. Lilipat namin. Kaya ito,
Wala
mas
na
marami.
kayong paso.
Hindi, okay lang. Ano ka ba? That's nothing.
Tamyan.
Sige ha, salamat.
Para ka naman agad.
hindi ako huwiin.
Kahit buhay namin, bibigyan namin.
Wow.
Akin na.
Sorry. Oh, thank you.
Lipat mo rin din.
Akin na, tusok mo dito.
Tusok mo.
Galing ha. Talaga.
Yan.
Ang ganda naman ng Saturday ko. Mayroong mga...
Itusok.
Oh, yan. Galing.
Malaki.
Napasukan samahan mo na yung anis. Tusukan mo yun.
Ah. Oh. Oo nga.
Naku,
Pareho ni siya nang?
Nay, silong ka na ya, ulan.
Ay, isa na lang nito. Kasi walang ganito. Iba to eh.
Waka.
Kaya lang.
Kahit saan,
Paano siya? Meron siyang...
madali tumubo.
This one has like... It has... What's that called? Yung ganito? Yeah, velvety. Paano? Ganun lang. Naku, parang takot pa ako kasi. Thank you very much. Kasi it's raining na. Doon na lang, ay lagay ko na lang siya doon sa kotse namin. Guys, nandito na ako sa bahay. At nandito na rin yung mga cuttings ko. Yan yung the succulent that Brother Rod gave me. Including the pot. Wow. It's very generous. So here are the 5 cuttings of rubber trays. First one is the ruby, and then burgundy, ruby again, burgundy, really tall. And last one is the ruby. I will give some to my sister. And here are the succulents. Yan. Ito siya, iba-iba. I'm gonna put them in the dish together. Or I'll make an art. And so cute. I have to see what are the names of these. I think some of these ones are for my sister. Or she can always go back to her friend or my friend. And these ones here are from my sister. This is the spider plant and a cute succulent. This one is alocasia. I'm not sure what's the name of this. Does anybody know the name? This one is my sister's rubber plant. Yeah. This is the, she has a burgundy already. That's why I'll just give her the ruby. And this is the golden pothos. Okay, I'm gonna put them, these ones, in the jars. Finally, natapos ko rin. Now they are in their individual jars. Even the succulents, ayan, nilagay ko dyan. I made sure they are standing up. So I just use even cups, just temporary. I'll find better jars tomorrow. And this one, I just planted two succulents there. And for the rubber trays, look at that. I just put them together, one burgundy and one ruby. So I put water, half water, and then hubby said to put this one. This is actually good for cuttings. See, it stimulates all plant growth. So I put 2.5 caps here, cap full. The other two are here, so it looks good, right? Okay, hopefully they will have some roots after a week or two, so I can repot them or plant them properly. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you consider subscribing in my channel, as I will upload 1 video per week. And also please hit the notification bell so you'll get updated with my future posts. Thanks, bye!